are. We have been learning new knowledge about the invasion, others, explorers, and leaders, and how these people use personal skills to achieve success. Our personal skills are collaboration. This is the ability to work with others. Communication. This is the ability to express your ideas to other people. Creativity. This is the ability to make something new. Critical thinking. This is the ability to solve a problem. We're going to tell you about how our personal skills and school values help us with our learning. We have also been learning some new knowledge about the Spanish artist Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso was a famous artist who created the art style known as Cubism. Cubism uses lots of 2D shapes and shows lots of different parts of an object. Pablo Picasso created lots of portraits in the Cubist style. We created some self-portraits in Picasso's Cubist style too. We first took some photos of ourselves and then cut them into smaller 2D shapes. Then we glued them onto our papers to make a cubist image. We then used these images and the knowledge of 2D shapes to create some self-portraits in the cubist style using pastels. Can you recognize who drew these cubist self-portraits? One of the people from the past, we have learned new knowledge about this, the famous Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh. He learned that Vincent van Gogh played a fantastic endeavor in his life and made over 100 paintings. We think that Vincent van Gogh also used our personal skills of creativity because his paintings use a unique style and color. He used lots of bright colors and interesting painting techniques to create some beautiful pictures. We started Vincent van Gogh's famous painting, The Starry Night. We were inspired by these paintings and create our own in a similar style. We use pastels and watercolor paints to create the same swirling effect as Vincent van Gogh. We then create some city streets to go in the foreground of our picture. Can you recognize some of the cities which we made silhouettes from? We have also been learning about Sikh religion and their different leaders. Sikh people are very kind and try to help anyone who needs it. The Sikh religion began in India over 500 years ago. The Sikh temple is called Gurdwara. Inside the Gurdwara, anyone can visit and try their food if they are hungry. Sikh people will 5 keys to remind themselves about how a Sikh should act. The 5 keys are: the Kara. This is the metal band which Sikh wear on their wrist. It means the Sikh should always behave in the right way. The Kesh. This is the long hair which Sikhs have and show that they are spiritual people. The Kaka. This is the wooden comb which Sikhs wear in their hair. It reminds Sikhs to look after their bodies. The Katra. These are prayers which remind Sikhs to treat their bodies with respect. The Kirpan. This is a sword which Sikhs carry and show that Sikhs should always show respect and treat others fairly. There are 11 special Sikh gurus who read their religion. Word guru means teacher. We have been thinking about the different guru in our lives. 10 of the Sikh gurus are people. We know that Guru Nanak was the first guru and that Guru Har Gobind is why Sikhs celebrate Diwali. The 11th guru is the book called Guru Granth Sahib. Sikh treat this book very gently and respectfully. They keep it in a very special room inside the Gurdwara at night and bring it out to read each day. We were inspired by how respectful, compassionately Sikhs treat other people. We're going to try and treat others this way too. About the incredibly brave explorers, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. We learned about how in 1953 they smashed Mount Everest together. They showed great endeavor and collaboration and were the first people to ever reach the top. Mount Everest is 8,849 meters tall. Even though the trip was very dangerous, they never gave up. We learned about how they had to huddle together to survive freezing blizzards. We also learned about how at Tenzing Norgay saved Edmund Hillary's life when he almost fell off the mountain. We had fun acting on this journey and thinking about the challenges Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay faced. They inspire us to be like them and be brave with our learning. We also learned about
We are going to show great endeavor in our learning just as Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay.
Learning about creativity of the artists we have studied. The scientists we have looked at have shown great competitive and critical thinking skills. The explorers we have learned about show super endeavor and integrity. This year we are all exploring new knowledge skills and understanding. We are going to be learning all about the world around us and other people. This year we have learned lots of new knowledge. And practice lots of our skills. We know that if we want to be successful in our learning, we need to keep up our super endeavor. And use all of our school relevant skills to help us.